beautiful family. Today I want to share with you some delicious Brussels sprouts in garlic butter. They come out delicious. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. To prepare these amazing Brussels sprouts and buttery garlic sauce, these are the ingredients. I have Himalaya salt, garlic powder, garlic cloves, black pepper, soy sauce, butter, water, and the star, the Brussels sprouts. This is a very easy, delicious, and amazing side dish. So let's get started. Well, today was the day that my daughter Jasmine decided to make these Brussels sprouts in garlic butter, and I decided to show you how she makes these amazing Brussels sprouts. Very easy to prepare. I wanted to show you that I'm not the only one that cooks here at home. My daughter Jasmine always helps me out. When I'm not home, she's the one that prepares the food for the family, for my kids. And here she decided to make these amazing, easy, delicious, buttery garlic Brussels sprouts. She already had them nice and washed, rinsed and dried, and now she's only removing the tip of the Brussels sprouts. And I decided that I wanted to take this video so that you see that I'm not the only one that cooks here at home. I invite all my kids in the kitchen when there's something to cook, even if it's something easy, even if it's something that's going to take a long time to elaborate. I love enjoying them and showing them how I cook so that the tradition goes on and on. When Jasmine gets married and she has kids, I am sure that she's going to continue with this tradition, bringing the kids at home, showing them how to cook. Here the pan is nice and hot. She's adding 1 cup of water, adding the Brussels sprouts, and she's gonna leave them in there for about 5 minutes. But she's gonna check them before the 5 minutes to see if the water has already disappeared from the Brussels sprouts. Well, here she's gonna leave them here, and she's gonna continue with the garlic cloves and with the butter. She's gonna add 3 garlic cloves into 3 tablespoons of butter. These garlicky Brussels sprouts come out delicious. The flavor of the garlic just amazing. Right now that she's mixing the garlic with the butter, you could really smell the aroma of the garlic. And this is the best part because I really love garlic. Here at home, we all love the garlic. If you want to add less, go ahead. But I really recommend for you to add the 3 garlic cloves if you love garlic like we do here at home. Once you have that nice and incorporated, just make sure that you incorporate it into the butter really good so that when you add it to your Brussels sprouts, all the Brussels sprouts are going to get this amazing flavor of the garlic and the butter. And here, after 4 minutes, we are going to see if the water's still on the bottom. The color of the Brussels sprouts really changed. They're really green, bright green. And now let's see, if they're still liquid on the bottom, you are going to let them cook for about 2 more minutes. You want to make sure that there is no liquid in the bottom before you cover them 1 more time. So we're going to leave them there for 2-3 more minutes. And when we come back, we are going to have all the ingredients ready to add it into the Brussels sprouts. There is no liquid in the center, and now is the time to add the garlicky butter. She's going to go ahead and add the garlic with the butter. She's going to incorporate everything, making sure that all the Brussels sprouts are covered with the delicious flavor of the butter and garlic. Once this is done, she's cooking this at medium heat. Now she's ready to add the salt. Remember that the salt is to taste, the garlic powder, and the black pepper. We're going to go ahead, add it in here. We're gonna incorporate it really good, and we're gonna cook it for about 4 more minutes, making sure that it starts getting nice and brown and that the Brussels sprouts really absorb the delicious flavor of the butter and garlic. Look at this. This is a very easy and delicious recipe. This is an amazing side dish for carne asada, for grilled chicken. You decide, but if you just want to eat Brussels sprouts in this buttery garlic, just have it just like that. She's adding a little bit of soy sauce. Remember that all the ingredients you're going to have in the description box so that you could enjoy what I enjoy here at home with my beautiful family. Well, once you add your soy sauce, the Brussels sprouts are ready to enjoy. Look at this. The color is amazing. You don't want to overcook your Brussels sprouts. You don't want to do that. You want them al dente still. They're going to be with so much flavor. And now I am ready to enjoy. I'm going to enjoy my Brussels sprouts with pepper flakes right on the top and with Parmesan cheese on the top. This is an amazing side dish, but I decided that I want to eat it just like that. I am sure that once you make them, you are really going to love this recipe. Easy, delicious, and amazing, especially that it has a pinch of love. Look at this. Well, now I am ready for the plate of the presentation. This is what I'm going to enjoy here at home. And I love to add the pepper flakes right on the top when you are going to enjoy them. I'm going to add the pepper flakes. I'm going to add the Parmesan cheese right on the top. And then I am ready to taste and enjoy this amazing Brussels sprouts in this garlic buttery sauce. I'll see you in just a bit. I can't wait to enjoy. If you like and love this recipe, subscribe, leave me thumbs up, and enjoy this delicious, easy recipe. My friends, I am completely done with these amazing Brussels sprouts, garlicky butter, and then I topped it off with Parmesan cheese and pepper flakes. This is the part I really love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. Let's see how this came out. They are still al dente, but yet those amazing spices and flavors. This is the part I really love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. Excuse me. Delicious. I hope, my friends, you make this side dish. It really comes out amazing, easy to prepare, very few ingredients, but yet with a lot of flavor. If you liked and loved this recipe, leave me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and of course this video. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. Bye-bye.